Hey guys, happy Tuesday to you. Here's just a little side project I'm working on. So I bought this bike from my grandson. It was in rough shape. It's like a 1970s to 1980 True Value bicycle that I've completely sanded down and repainted. He wants it to look like Captain America bike, so red bike, red tires, blue fenders. It'll have a white seat. But it came out good for as rough as it was. Still has the original rims on it, original pedals. That's the original handlebars. So yeah, it's a nice little side project from building models. Hope you guys enjoyed that. Hopefully I earned your like on it. If you guys haven't subscribed already, please remember to subscribe. Have a great day.